Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the MountDog brand LED Softbox Photography Lighting Kit with a 20 by 28 inch reflector, professional photo studio equipment, and an 80 watt 6500K corn light bulb. Uses for portraits, fashion, video shooting. Includes a Velcro attached diffuser. We're going to show that. So there's the light that's mounted in there, and here is the stand that it comes with, and we're going to be showing some close-ups of how to adjust everything, but it's a really nice functional light. And we're going to be showing how to use this and to soften up some video of a test subject. In this case it's a little stuffed animal for Christmas, and it's going to give you a good understanding of how this light performs. Now this light comes with a very nice holder right here that has the brand name on there and two handles and a zipper holder to hold the whole unit, and then it has a separate little holder right here with Velcro that you can just put the light in if you want to protect the light. And it also includes this diffuser panel, and we're going to attach that. It attached with Velcro. So there's the diffuser panel that you can put on to diffuse the light and make it a little softer, and it's held on with Velcro, and it's held on in the corners. They have stitched a little angle piece, and it stays in place really nicely. This light kit includes a switch, very nice quality, and a 6-foot long cord with a US plug on the end. To mount the unit, it simply just goes over the top circular piece right there, and then you just tighten this going clockwise, and then you have this to allow you to change the angle on a ratchet. You can hear the clicks, and then you can change the angle of the light. And of course you can rotate it left to right also, so you can get the light wherever you want. Looking in your viewfinder of your camera, you can see what reflections you want for the given shot. So you can change the height of this unit by turning these counterclockwise and then just raising it to whatever height you want, and then you lock it in place. The height allows it to go from 27 to 80 inches and it's fully adjustable. It's made of premium aluminum tubing with 1/4 inch screw on the top to satisfy different photographers. Now the bottom is adjustable also, and you could turn this counterclockwise, and then this thing will lift up and allow you to collapse it so that this thing could be put in the little storage bag. Let's take a look at the light and how it gets mounted. So that simply gets screwed in like any E26 light. It has a standard base on there with the connections. And let's go over the specs on this light. But you can see that it just turns right into there. And to collapse this, you just pull this like that, and then the whole thing collapses, allowing you to put it into the storage bag. When you're ready to open it up again, you just open it and you push a circular piece on just like that, and that locks it in place. Let's talk about the bulb a little bit again. Very nice. It has 168 LED chips on there. It doesn't generate any heat. It's got die-cast heat cooling to keep these all warm and long service life. And it also has LEDs in front and on the side. So the front points outward, the light, and then the side gets reflected by these aluminized panels. And the company will provide a replacement bulb for this. If something goes wrong with it, just contact them on the Amazon messaging system. This LED bulb is equivalent to an 80 watt. It's 6500K corn bulb, and it's very bright, and the diffuser works really nicely. So I have the MountDog included LED bulb powered on a base right here, and I have a watt meter, and if I put it to watts, you can see it's only 32.2 watts. So it's producing the equivalent of an 80 watt bulb, but it's only 32 watts. So I had the light running for about 15 minutes and just want to do a little thermal test. It's just slightly warm right there. So I have a thermal gun right here. And let's just look at the temperature on the thermal gun. See, it's about 98 degrees, 99 degrees. So that's not bad. What that's doing is the internal heatsink is cooling the LED so that it doesn't generate heat. And that's what's great about these LEDs. It's how they get their 50,000 hour lifespan, is they get thermally cooled down and they last a long time. They don't generate heat. So you have to worry about this thing heating up that light box or that reflective material. It just doesn't do it. So here's going to be my test subject. Little Christmas stuffed animals. And I have all the studio lights off, and I just have the MountDog right there. And I have it about 3 feet away. And this is without the diffuser on there. So let's just zoom in a little bit here. Let's lock the camera in place. Now I'm going to go over to the light box, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to move it up and down and left to right. This is going upwards. This is going downwards. And then I can go left and I go right. So you look in your viewfinder and you see what works best for your subject. Now we're going to put the diffuser on there and compare that. Now I have the diffuser on. I didn't change any of the camera settings. So you can see if it's a little softer. I'm going to move the light box up and down, left to right. So this is moving it up, and this is moving it down, and now we can go left, and we can move it to the right. So let's see what that did to the way it looks. And again, I have the diffuser on the MountDog light box. So what's my overall opinion about the MountDog brand LED Softbox Photography Lighting Kit with that 20 by 28 inch reflector? I like this product. As I demonstrated, it works well to light your subject and allow you to control with that included soft matte panel on there held on by Velcro. You can change the lighting effect from a little harsher to softer, and the included stand works really well, and you could adjust the height, and as I showed, you can adjust the angle of this up and down and left to right. So you're going to be able to point this and look at your camera and see what works best for your application. So this is a great product, and I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert your new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helped you with all your buying decisions. Thank you for watching.